All right, this is recording number 4 of 7. Yes, we're back to 7. I had to split this one in 2. So this is very short, this one, but it would have been too long otherwise. So the California Water Project, again, we already talked about the LA aqueduct. So what I would like to on this one is talk about the Colorado aqueduct, which we mentioned before. Again, this was done in the 1940s. Not as important. What I did forget to mention on the LA aqueduct, in that if you watch Chinatown, that movie, with Jack Nicholson and Faye Dunaway, old classic. That actually is about the LA aqueduct. Okay, so we're going to talk about the Colorado aqueduct now. And you can see that down here in this picture. And that's the one we mentioned earlier, the Colorado River Project. So that aqueduct is enters in Lake Havasu in Arizona, which is formed by the Parker Dam. And then it has to be pumped over the mountains. So this one actually has to use energy to do it. And this brings water down into Lake Matthews and Riverside 242 miles later. So the mileage is not important. But again, this is shooting below us down kind of into the Riverside County area. And so some of you might have been to Lake Havasu. That actually you are swimming in people's drinking water. And you can see here, this is Parker Dam. And again, this is one of the aqueducts going across the desert. And if you think about the desert being hot and dry, lots of water being lost in evaporation, all of this land has been flooded. Again, I'm not saying Lake Havasu is a beautiful place, lots of recreation. But the natural habitat underneath that has been changed forever. At least the ones on the edge of the lake. And over the years, recently, if you've been up there, you can see where the water table has actually dropped. You can see the markings on the side of the lake where the water used to be because of the drought we've been in. And so that's all I have for this one. Very quick, very, very simple. We already talked about it earlier, so we will stop this recording.